Hi, this is Novotan Finish Up iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Pyramid North. My sister, how do you feel about the game today?
Hey, I'm actually very disappointed, but anyway, I would like to say thanks to our team. They try to work hard,
Yeah.
they work that actually to their level best, because that team which we were working with, which we were
Playing with,
that team is the second best team in their country.
Yeah.
It's like when you compare, it's like Kaizer Chiefs here, Pirates
Sundowns
and
and all that.
Sundowns.
Yes.
So our guys, next time when they are playing with that team, they must, even our coach
Yeah.
and
Must be aware of
everyone
that,
must be aware of it, that this one is not just a chance team.
Yeah.
This one is a hard to go team, which is very, very tough.
Yeah.
When they go to play with it next time, they must pull their socks and be away. And
Yeah.
unfortunately, the referee was not in our favor. He was
Oh, yes.
actually
Yeah.
favoring the other guys. But
Mm.
anyway, we tried our best and managed to push it to the last
Yeah.
end on a win, though, even though we didn't score. But then next time when we are going to their side,
Yeah.
they must pull their socks.
Yeah. And then, do you think it was a good thing that they didn't score? They didn't score against you. At least you managed to keep a clean sheet.
Yeah, it was a good thing. We managed to defend ourselves.
Yeah.
They managed to play very hard. And we like to say thank you, guys. They made it a day for us.
Yeah.
They tried their level best.
Yeah.
Even though the referee, or sorry, the coach tried to substitute some of the other players, he was trying. He didn't know that this team is so hard to crack.
No, thank you
So
very much.
next time now, we must be serious about it.
No.
We are speaking to Loveness, is Maraba Stad branch.
Thank you, Mama
Thank you,
Rabasta.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you.